There's one at the plane. Okay, one dead there. Finally a kill. I hear him. Is that a new bunker? He's down in the trench. Woo. Come on, 416. Come on, gun. Work with him.
He's in the right side by Firebase now.
I think that was a kill. Maybe. Okay, one dead. Oh, that did not work the way I wanted it to. I was hoping to get a little slide action. Oh shit.
Hey, Wall! Two coming up from the trenches right in front of you! Popping my head back out, I'm hit.
This gun does not like this mag. Hit! Hey, stop it. My camera's being funny now.
Objective is tickle the jet.
You know what else is funny?
Fuck off. Yeah, that's what you get.
Who's the pipe that should turn my
Good now?
Come on! You and me! Right now! Let's go!
Did you see that? It just shot like 3 rounds at once.
Oh.
Let me hold this so it doesn't come off on me.
Can't get too far up.
Ooh.
able to get a
Ooh! Almost fucked up my ankle. Where's that from? There's shots coming between my fucking legs. Is that a person? I can't tell. No, he's him. We gotta push in, but okay. I can hear him in there still. Oh shit, what the fuck? They're coming out of the fucking trees. No, seriously, a round just came down from this fucking tree.
Remember, you can't go over the top. You gotta go into the door. Or window. Blind firing.
Where's he at?
He's behind the back left building. There's two of them. Good push, good push.
Oh shit. Oh. I fucking tripped. God damn it.
That's okay, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Oh.
He's shooting right up front.
Oh yeah. My battery's dead. Or dying. Oh, shit. This is a really bad time for my gun to die. Fuck. Quit shooting at me. I'm defenseless. Hey, good shot. One's dead. They're in the fire base.
Yeah.
I see one's head poking out. I can't do anything. My battery. Hunter, my battery's dead. Yeah. Hit. All right, well, I'm just gonna go switch this out. I'm just gonna go switch my gun out. I'm gonna grab Agatha.
Oh, it's Plasma Dragon.
Are you still on? Oh, you are. Agatha. She's already acting funny, double feeding and.
No. No. Oh. I'm fucking playing.
Snap shoot, Hunter. She's gonna run back with this guy. Come back here with you. Ah, I'm not used to having a hose on me. Whoa, holy shit. Oh shit. They're shooting at me. I don't know where from. Don't cross the doorway.
I'm not. I'm kind of trapped here then.
Yeah, it happens. Okay, one dead. Okay, another one dead.
How's it going?
Good. Doorway's clear if you need to cross. Just be careful. Whoa, shit. Where the fuck did that come from?
There's two of them.
Okay. Let's back up right into here. I got hit.
Is this next spawn?
What's up?
Is this next spawn?
No, where you hit?
Yeah.
You go over to the tower in Asheville. Oh shit. They get it out?
Yeah, we got it.
All right. Yay, airsoft. Woo!
Probably like 6 of them.
If you're dead, don't talk. Come on, Agatha. There you go. There you go. Hit! Yeah, somewhere over there. Oh, there's one. This air hose pissed me off. James, do not peek this right side.
Alright. I don't think my fucking bullets are traveling as far as they need to be.
I'm not good at shooting left-handed with this thing. It doesn't seem like it wants to work. Come on, Augie.
Come on, Agatha.
Is this magazine being weird?
Tell me Agatha, it's out of there.
Might just be the mag. I don't know. Nice shot.
Come on, brother.
Good shooting. Reloading. Okay. Back in.
Over there!
They're over there. Hey, one close, one close. Come on. Come on, knock it off. I think it's just full magazines. This guy doesn't like full mags.
Oh, hit. Fuck.
Hey, I'm gonna come in. Oh. Alright, hang on, I'm coming through. So I want to get a picture of this.
I got hit, so you can.
That thing's
staying here.
I wish it did. I've been trying to fuck around with different like modifications and stuff to make it work better, but I don't think it likes these mags. There she goes. That was a really bad throw, but fucking sling caught it. Shit. Hit! Nice. Blech. School. Somebody smacked me in my backpack and then like 50 rounds came in right after. I was like, I'm not moving out of here. Fuck that. Yeah, I smacked me in my backpack and then this one came in right after and then I was just like, nope, I'm not moving.